I'm testing the flashlight now. It's not very dark. It's becoming dark, but still you see the sky is some kind of gray. But here you see how powerful the Sofirn flashlight is. I really like the pattern. It's not a spot. It illuminates a big area in front of you, left to the right, and you can see everywhere. I like this kind of spot. So you see an animal. So I don't know. I think it's a fox, yeah, but it's a small one. It's looking for food. Let me see what he will do. What is he doing when I'm going to... what will he do when I start the strobe light? Let me see. He's clever. He's not affected. The strobe light doesn't affect him. I suppose he likes the flashlight. He loves the flashlight. That's why he came here. He's looking for food. He's looking for food. Yeah. So let's go on with the test. So when you're in a dark place in a park, it's a nice flashlight. It illuminates the whole way, right to the left, to the front, also close in front of you. You don't miss any place. It gives you a good feeling. It's very safe. So this is turbo mode. This is a turbo mode again. You can see also in front of you, big distance. This will be a long test for people who want to see the flashlight under real circumstances. Okay, that's enough for now, my friends. See you soon.